How to install Dreo app. So here is Dreo app, and then you can just double click to install it. And here is how it works. We are dedicated to bringing our customers premium smart life is even advanced, smarter, and convenient Internet of Things experienced by the Dreo Home app. Future of Dreo Home multi-device management enable you manage your smart home office with only one app. Cutting-edge cloud technology, intelligent remote control, streamlined UI interface. So just the app to connect all of these smart devices. If you have them from like different companies, different brands, you can just use this app to organize everything into one app. You can create account or you can use it as a guest even. So then you just tap add device, and then you can find all of the, well, these are just specifically items from Dreo app. And then you have your own profile where you can just sign in, and so basically that's how you manage Dreo devices in the app. So try it out.